Tutorial: CLP Touch Display Warning and Error Messages. The tutorial refers to the CLP Touch Operation Manual Chapter 11. This tutorial will introduce you to warning and error messages. You will learn what kind of messages exist, how to manage typical messages, how to display details of recorded messages, how to acknowledge warning and error messages. Typical warning and error messages: reservoir low level, missing cycle switch, CS, over lubrication, reservoir low level. The lubricant level in the pump is too low to continue lubrication. Refill the reservoir to solve the warning cause. If the low-level status continues, warning changes to an error. Missing cycle switch signal, CS. The pump receives too few signals from the cycle switch, CS, within the set time. If the missing CS status continues, warning changes to error. Press View to display more details. The diagram shows the downward deviation from the regular lubrication cycle. To acknowledge error, swipe checkmark icon to the left. Over lubrication. The pump receives too many signals from the cycle switch, CS, within the set time. An error message is shown. Press View to display more details. The diagram shows the upward deviation from the regular lubrication cycle. To acknowledge the error, swipe the checkmark icon to the left. The pump restarts lubrication. How to display details of warning and error messages. To display recorded messages, press the log icon. Then, choose error or warning. Press the shovel icon and then the calendar icon to switch between the date and duration of an event. To display the total time of pump errors, press the clock icon. You can go back to the home screen by pressing the home icon. How to acknowledge warnings and errors. Eliminate the cause of the warning. Swipe pause icon to the left to acknowledge message. Eliminate the cause of the error. Swipe the checkmark icon to the left to acknowledge the message. Read the CLP Touch Operation Manual for more information.